Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Investing. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to grow the mathematics community. Thanks to Reta Wahima Sapon from University of Education, UNIVA, for requesting for video on compass bearing. So in this lesson, we're looking at compass bearing and you will love it. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave your comments. Now, let us proceed. Okay, that's great. Now, if you not watch the video on the three-figure bearing, please check the description for that video. It will also help to improve your understanding. Now, let's go on. You see that the cardinal points you have north, south, east, and west. Now, the compass bearing is based on the north and the south pole, right? So between south and east, we have southeast. Between south and west, we have southwest. We don't have west-south. Between north and west, we have northwest. Between north and east, we have northeast. If I say between, I'm not saying at the middle, right? Look at this. If I have A and B, and I write, let's say 2 here. 2 is between A and B, but it is not at the middle, or it's not at the center of A and B. So check that word. I'm also doing English here. Yes. So if I say between north and east, it doesn't mean halfway. I didn't say halfway. I just said between. So between, it could be at the middle or at any point between what we are talking about. So any point between north and east is northeast. So you can have infinitely many points. That's great. Now, the compass bearing, I've already said that it is based on the north and the south. So let's look at this one. If I have 50 degrees northeast or 50 degrees northeast, how do we write it? So how do we draw the diagram for this? So we do this one. Then we will do 130 degrees that one will be southeast. 130 degrees southeast. Then we will do, okay, let's do for the north. We will do 48 degrees northwest. So let's do the north. After that, we come to the south. So here, 50 degrees northeast or north 50 degrees east means that we should stand at the north and measure 50 degrees to the east. So we assume that from north, you come and land on this line. And this is 50 degrees. So this means that stand at the north and measure 50 degrees to the east. Wow. Stand at north and measure 50 degrees to the east. You know that from here to here is 90. So if here is 59, then whenever you are using it, you are going into your diagram should be real. You know that between the north and the east is 90. So if this place is 50, then it means that it should be bigger than the angle here. That's great. Let's look at the second one. North 48 degrees west and now 48 degrees northwest. So how do we draw that one? So stand at the north, then we measure 48 degrees to the west. So this is 48 degrees to the west. That's all. That is all. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's go back to the south-south. So let's measure 30 degrees south of west and then 49 degrees south of east. So if I draw, there's my north, east, west, south. This means that as we stand at south, measure 30 degrees to the west. Wow, that's very simple. This means that as we stand at south, measure 49 degrees to the east. That's all. That is all. Now, how do we describe this? How do we describe what I'm going to draw on the board in terms of compass bearing? So in terms of compass bearing, you will see that this is my north and this is my south. So here, I need this one, but if I stand at north, I can measure to this line, right? That is very big. So what is the angle left here? If here is 47, you take 47 from 90 to get here to be what? 43 degrees. So here, that is it. So this is 43 degrees northwest. 43 degrees northwest. Very simple as that. You can also do same here by putting, let's say, 30 here. If we put 30 here, that's not the angle we are looking for. We are just looking for north to the east line. So this is 60. So this one also is north 60 degrees east. So if I'm to draw north 60 degrees east, I can draw it in two ways. I can do it like this, or I can do it like this. Wow. That is very simple. Now let's go to the south one. So for the south, I can do this one here. So here, for the compass bearing, I just need south to this line. And from here to here is 90. So you just take 54 from 90 and you get here to be 36. So this simply means south 36 degrees east. So I can draw south 36 degrees east this way or that way. This is the east, north, west. So if it is this way, it is south 36 degrees east. If it is this way, it is south 36 degrees east. Let's go to this part. Let's assume that I put 40 here, right? Then I just need this one in compass bearing. South something degrees west. So 50 plus this angle will give me 90. So if I take 50 40 plus this angle will give me 90. So if I take 40 from 90, it will be left with 50. So it means that this angle is 50 degrees. So I can draw it as this. That is south, 50 degrees west, or I can draw it like this, which is also south, 50 degrees west. Because I don't need this angle, I need this angle in terms of compass bearing. Please, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can just send it to me on my WhatsApp number +233 24 53 793. If you are not in Ghana, please kindly add my country code.